Hemlock Hollow Outdoors here. Today we are going to make a DIY minnow trap. Jake's got the finished product here, which we caught 2 crayfish on earlier, and now today he's going to demonstrate how to make one for anybody who might want to make one with their kids.
So first you get a bottle. I use a soda bottle. Then you get a sharp knife like this. Then right above this label here, I just cut all the way around. It's a little bit tricky once you get it started. So next, you remove the cap like that. Then you put it down here. So there's a spot for the fish to enter. Next, you put a little hole here so you can put the fishing line there as your rope or to ground it. You can use whatever you want, but we use fishing line. You put it through like that, and like you're starting to tie a shoe, just put it through there like that and pull tight. I did that about 5 or 6 times and pull tight, and then you're done.
Now, some common errors that he ran into while trying to put this in the creek yesterday is that it would not sink since it was plastic. What did you use to help sink it?
I put a couple rocks down in this area here.
To keep it under the water. And what do you bait it with?
Dog food.
Dog food. Alright, so now that you know how to make it, grab an old soda bottle and get your mom or dad or a guardian to help you make one, and go make your own minnow trap. Hemlock Hollow Outdoors out.